So, why is car insurance so dang expensive right now? Well, this is the end of August 2024. I called my State Farm Insurance folks last week to find out why the heck my insurance rates have jumped so much because no new drivers, no accidents, no tickets, no nothing. And the nice person on the other end told me that, well, Las Vegas, where I live, is the second most expensive place to get insurance next to New Jersey. So I didn't know if this is true or not, so I thought I'd check it out. It probably is for State Farm because I don't know why they'd make up something like that. But the folks over at MarketWatch listed 5 states with the highest insurance rates for full coverage as of August of 2024. And the highest is actually, surprise to me, Louisiana, coming in at $4,357 a year, which is pretty insane, followed by New York, Michigan, Pennsylvania, and then Nevada, only number 5 highest at $3,870 per year. Still insane. So what about the states with the highest minimum liability car insurance? Well, their list was New York coming in at number 1 at $2,220 a year, followed by Nevada, then Florida, Louisiana, and New Jersey at $1,408 per year. So why the heck is insurance so expensive these days? Well, some of the factors are obviously driving record. If you've got a DUI, if you've got a bunch of crashes, yeah, it's going to cost more. That part's kind of a no-brainer. Another one most people know about is age. The younger you are with the least experience, the more crashes you tend to get into, so the rates are higher for young people compared to experienced drivers. The next one is marital status. Seems that married drivers usually pay less in insurance than unmarried drivers do. Next factor is location. They look at things like population density, the frequency of auto claims in your area, and the number of uninsured drivers where you live. So if you live where there's a lot of uninsured drivers, your premiums are probably going to be up. The next factor they look at is not very politically correct. They look at gender. They look at the gender listed on your driver's license, and males get to pay higher rates than females do. No equality there. The next factor that they'd look at in a lot of states is your credit score. So they figure somebody with good financial responsibility is going to have good credit, so they're going to be a safer driver than somebody without. I'm just reporting. I didn't make this up, so don't shoot the messenger. And one of the newer factors that popped up is some of these modern cars transmit people's driving habits, and the data is collected, and some folks might be selling that data to the car insurance companies. They're looking at your actual driving habits when they are rating your rates. So it's kind of rough out there. If nothing else, compare rates of insurance companies. It seems that, at least in my experience, the rates can vary pretty wildly between companies, but try to stay away from some of those really sketchy ones, because then if you actually do need car insurance one day and they're not there, well, that's just bad.